What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. All right, you guys, we're going to be breaking down Tilray, or ticker symbol TLRY. The market is going to be opening in about 25 minutes. The pre-market is 15.59. We're down almost 2%. We closed almost 9% yesterday. So let's go ahead and dive in and let me explain to you how I found these lines. So we're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. So this allows us to see the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. And then this top line also represents our major resistance line. And if we look to our left, you guys, we can see that we came up. We had trouble breaking past this area. We gapped up, gapped back down. Once we break past resistance, it works as a floor and support on the opposite side. So you can see that we kind of consolidated over here, broke under, came back up. Now that we're under, it's going to work as resistance. It came up, got rejected, pulled back up into our major resistance. Again, we see these two candlesticks right here, and ultimately started our downtrend to where we're at right now. So yesterday we did create a lower low, and that is kind of nerve breaking because we were resting right on this support, and now we're kind of dropping even lower. So let me go ahead and zoom in so we can see that. Yesterday we did have a little bit of a push of a 10%, but ultimately lost all those gains and came back down to our support level. So as long as we can stay above this support level, you guys, this can still be a good buy opportunity and a great return. If you look at the RSI, we are oversold like crazy, you guys. I mean, super oversold. Let me check at the volume. Let me see, the volume over here is over 150. So we're at 190. Any stock that you're looking into, make sure the volume is over 150, you guys, because if it's not, you're going to be in stuck in a slow moving stock, and you want to be able to get in and out, especially if you're a day trader or a scalp trader. That even goes for if you're a core trader or swing trader. You don't want to be in a slow moving stock, you guys. So as of right now, we are right on this support line. If you were to get in right now, I don't see a problem because we are still on this support line. Just to make sure you guys are protecting your assets, make sure you have your stop loss already set, or a mental stop loss, knowing when you are going to pull yourself out of the stock if things do go sour. And that would probably be around the $14.50 area. Give yourself some wiggle room just in case we have a candlestick wick that peekaboos below this major support level and then ends up going higher, because I know how that feels to watch a stock break below this support line or a support line and then ultimately continue its uptrend. So you always want to give yourself just a little bit of room, so you know that if it does break below that you were clearly wrong in this area. So that's why we always have our stop loss below these areas. So up here would be your first target. If you're a core trader or a swing trader, if you're a day trader or scalp trader, these areas will be different. You just have to break down to a smaller time frame, that being the 1 hour, 30 minute, or the 1 minute interval. So your first target would be back up here, maybe at the $18 or even the $19 or $20 area, and those would be your first targets. And then your last target ultimately being back up here at the $30 area. So as long as we don't break below this support level, you guys, I don't see any problem with getting in right now. If we do, then we're gonna have to look for the next level of support, and unfortunately it'd probably be pretty low. Let me go ahead and see where that is. If we do break below that, okay, let me find my tools. Tested about right here. Yeah, so if we do break below that, you guys, we have a long way down. We have all the way down to the $4 area. So hopefully we don't break below this support level. If we do, that's why we have our stop loss. If things do go sour, we want to protect our portfolio and our assets as much as possible, you guys. But ultimately, I hope this video helped just a little bit to kind of clear the air on exactly what you're looking at. If it did help, please hit that like and subscribe button, you guys. I try to make this content every single day for you. If there's a stock that you want me to break down or look into, put it in the comment box below, and I'll give it a look and try to make the video in the following morning. I usually get about 10 or 20 stocks that people want me to break down, and I can only get to so many. So other than that, like hopefully we can break this downtrend, you guys. Personally, I would wait till we had a further confirmation. If you're a safer trader, obviously you'd want to wait till we can break above this $18 or $19 area, come up and come back down and retest this level. But if you are that aggressive trader, I still don't see any problems with getting in as long as you're protecting your assets and you have that stop loss below this this line right here, which is the 1562 area. So it's kind of around the area where we're at right now in the pre-market, so I don't see any problems with that. Just remember, you guys, always have your trading plan set in any stock that you're getting in, that being your target, your entry, and when you're getting out if things do go sour. But I hope this helped you guys. You guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.